Measure and transfer method, example 4. Okay, now we have triangles, and we got the front and right side view. Then we have to draw the top view extension line, and we're going to put our full line. So we have our full line drawn right here. Okay, that's in between because this is the most external point, right? So we can draw the full line in between two external points. So it doesn't have to be here, but you can draw it here as well. And then second line, your reference line is also called fold line. Make sure they're perpendicular, and then your edges, 1, 2, 3, and I've got everything, okay, except this. Then I have this, okay, and that's your first measurement from the full line, the first full line, right? And then to this corner, the D1. We're gonna do clone that measurements, all right? The second full line, and you'll go D2, which is this guy, and then D1, which is this guy, okay? We'll draw it because now I have all the edges. This corresponds to that, this edge corresponds to that edge, and this edge corresponds to that edge. And don't forget your view, okay? This is your top, and that's your front. Actually, right here, not left. Okay, right here. My left and right are kind of issue. So this is right. Okay. So now I have top, front, and right. So we continue. Now we have to get into all of the points all. And your top view, okay. 3, 1. Your 3 is there. 1 is in the back. Your 5 is here. Your 4 and 2. 4 is. This is top view, and 2 top view. When you look at it from the front, right, like that, of course this is going to be on the same point, right? This is also 1 and 3 on the same, and then that's going up, which is on the top view is at the center, okay? 5 is at the top, and you're looking at from your right view. And from the right, we can see 4 and 3 here, yes. And then from the right, we can see 2, right, and then 1 together. Then we get rid of all the lines. So here are the lines, and you get rid of it. And this is your pictorial, which is a pyramid. Pyramid top, we can see that. Looking down that way, okay? This is your number 5 right there, yeah? And your 4 corners right there. We can see it, 1 in the back. If you look from the front, this is what you see. If you look at it from here to the right, and that's what you see. Don't forget you have 2 other points in the back, which is this one and that one, okay? The same thing with the front view. You have 2 other points in the back, and that's why we label here 2 points, okay? Let's take a look at example 4, animation here for your pyramid top, your front, and then your side, okay? And this is your pictorial. We can view it again, your top, and then your front, your side, and then your pictorial. Alright, that's it.